And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you an echo text effect. For the background, I've used something that's inbuilt in the library. Under Atmosphere you will find it. Then I've added a default text. Make it whatever you want. In this case, space should fit. It works on any font. I'll use this one here, Carlito. It's already bold, but you can even make it thicker here by adding that as a style. Make the fill color black for now. Then scroll down to stroke, check the box, and you may have to open the drop down. I want to make it white, but you could also use a different color except for black. In this case, all colors work. Let me decrease the thickness. And now I right click on this text element, create a compound clip, and under Video Basic I turn the blend mode to screen. This gets rid of the black color. And now I copy paste this a couple of times. You can use as many copies as you want. I think 4 in total should be fine, so the original and 3 copies. Let me go to the top one, we're gonna keep that, and then we use the arrow keys to the right. Let me go 10 frames forward. And I reposition the second clip here. For this one, it's selected. I go to Video Basic and I adjust the position to 100 and -100. And I want to decrease the opacity. It depends on what you want to have here. I think 60% should be fine. And then you just repeat this. So you go to the third clip, go 10 steps forward, reposition that. I make this 200 -200 and go down with the opacity to 40%. And for the final one, yet again 10 steps forward, X position 300, Y position -300, and opacity 20%. You can obviously position that to a beat if you want to use music, so that this echo is then synced with the beat. Let me turn on the snapping here. Final step is to cut the excess parts with the split tool. You can press B for that. Then press A for the select tool, select them and delete them. It helps when the snapping is turned on. And now we have this echo effect. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.